Alright, here we go. We got a bad fuel pump on a 2002 Yukon Denali. I'm going to start it up so you guys can hear the difference. Then I'm going to connect a new one. I don't know if you quite caught that. I'm going to do it again. Okay, now I put the new one in, well, connected it so you can hear the power. We're gonna start it up so you guys can hear this. Hold on. Okay, got the new one put in. I guess the wiring was wrong. Someone replaced it but had the wrong wiring, so this thing never really read the proper fuel level, so I had to redo the wiring. As you can see, all new wiring in with the wiring harness it came with. That wiring harness was somebody else put in, but the schematics are wrong. So let's start it up so you can actually hear what it sounds like. You hear the difference? I'll do it one more time. That's a good fuel pump right there. That's what you guys want. So now I'm going to slap this back together and get this car on the road. Thank you for watching.